is temporary, number one. And in this life, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tests us. We experience good moments and we experience bad moments. Allah tests us. Allah tests us through His commands. Do this, do this, do this. And Allah desires to see how we behave. Don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. Allah desires to see how we behave. And a very big obstacle in passing this test, in going through these trials successfully, is the glitters of this world. So a person comes into this world for a limited period of time. He is tested by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the thing he needs to be careful about is the glitter of this world. Those things that attract him, the unlawful pleasures, unlawful desires. If he is able to safeguard himself from unlawful pleasures, then he has passed his test. So this test and trial that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts us through is mainly the glitters of the world, unlawful pleasures. I want to become very, very wealthy so I can live a very, very luxurious life. And in order to live this luxurious life, I need wealth. And in order to become wealthy, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this. All unlawful things. So unlawful desire to amass as much wealth as possible. I want to fulfill all my desires. And in order to fulfill my desires, I need wealth. Money can buy everything. That is the concept. And I need money, big money. If I work 5 days a week, 6 days a week, I will only be able to earn 350 pounds, 400 pounds. It won't be enough to fulfill my unlawful desires. So I need to earn more. So now shaitan takes us towards unlawful avenues. There are so many unlawful avenues of earning wealth. And we fail the test. Alcohol, glitter of this world, unlawful desire, unlawful pleasure. Drugs, unlawful pleasure. Consuming drugs, selling drugs, unlawful pleasure, unlawful desire. It's a test. If we refrain, we are successful. If we do not refrain, we have failed. Sexual pleasures, unlawful sexual pleasures. Again, glitter of this world. Unlawful desire, unlawful pleasure. If we are able to resist and safeguard ourselves from fulfilling unlawful sexual desires, then we have become successful. And if we are unable to safeguard ourselves, if we are unable to resist the temptations outside, then we have failed. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent us into this world for a limited period of time. And Allah tests us, puts us through tests. And Allah tests us through these unlawful pleasures, the worldly glitters. If we refrain, we are successful. If we do not refrain, we are unsuccessful. And whether we were successful or unsuccessful, we will know on the day of Qiyamah, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will grant entry into Jannah to those people who are successful, and when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will throw in the fire of hell those people who are unsuccessful. So what we need to do